to the next class. And to achieve that, we must give our children all the support they need in life. I remember when I was young, during my own time, we don't normally see occasion like this. During those days, what we know is we want to collect our report card, even though it is the same thing as result today. And those days, we just sit under the mango trees, and your name will be called out one after the other. And the report card used to be like, you know, when you go to the clinic and the doctor asks you, you have to open a card first. That was how it looks like those days. Not like today, you have something like 60 leaves as your result. It is a good thing and a wonderful thing for every children to be here and see them smile. Today, I will be discussing the topic, education is the key to success. Back then, education was free, but today, you pay for it. That reminds me of a popular saying that if you think education is expensive, try ignorance. Also, a former United States President, Barack Obama, also elaborated that if you think education is expensive, wait until you see the cost of ignorance. That is why the pastor that came out here has already spoke on the topic that we need to give our children the right education so that they don't go out and join bad gangs, join occultists, and that is the cost they will bring for you for trying ignorance. It also reminds me of a popular joke. Back then in the secondary school, our teacher used to tell us that there is this certain rich man in one community without education, but he has money. And because of his money, they usually invite him to any occasion just like this. And when he comes, he can't say anything. The only thing you hear him say is, Ibo Kwenu, hey, Ibo Kwenu, hey. I, Chief Orikoze, I donate 1 million. And as at then, 1 million is like 100 million today. But there was this very occasion, as a chairman seated on the high table, they gave them a preferential treatment. Just as we are seeing the high table now, there is a preferential treatment here. So, when it came to item 7, I believe we all know item 7. As a member of the high table being given a preferential treatment, they took the menu to them to go and tick. The vice chairman, the educated one, quickly tick what he wants to eat. And the chairman, the uneducated one, wanted to play along and tick also, not knowing that he ticked salad. And when they brought the food to him, he saw the vice chairman eating fried rice and chicken garnished with juice. But to him, salad, because what he feels like this salad is the leaf like a goat food. I only case that donated more money, but he still maintained, trying to play along. And when he gets to the second time of refreshment, he now decided that whatever the vice chairman tick, that is, he will just collect the menu and tick along. But unfortunately for him, before the waiter could get to the vice chairman just waved to the waiter. Hey, as usual, as usual, as usual. And him too wanted to play smart. He waved also. Hey, as usual, as usual, as usual. And when they brought the food, he saw the vice chairman fried rice and chicken, and he was warming up to get his own fried rice and chicken. But to his own surprise, they brought the same salad. That was when the man got up to his voice. Hey you, bia. Come. This as usual and this as usual. Is it the same as usual? So what are we saying? Education is very important. Just as I titled this page, education is the key to success. Like as they say, education is the furthest way of making money, and it is sure of it. Yes, I know people look at education that when you are into education, you want to pass through all the process. All your mates that are doing business, they've started making money, leaving you behind. But I tell you, don't be relented. Education is the key to success. Why is education the key? To me, I believe education is the most important tool you can receive that can bring you more success in society today. Education lessens the challenges you will face in life. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunity will open up to allow individuals to achieve better possibility in career and personal growth. That is why we must get our kids, our children, our young ones to be educated. It is important to get educated today so as to acquire the subject matter and basic knowledge needed to get by in every life. For example, English and language skills will help you to communicate your ideas more clearly and do business around the world, as it is one of the most popular language in the world today. I believe you all are hearing me clearly because, or understanding me clearly because I'm speaking English. If I'm to come here and start speaking my dialect, I believe most of you will not even understand what I'm saying. So that is why we must get our children to be educated. According to Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Yes, we can see like the likes of this young Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, the CEO of Facebook. Today, he has proven that with the social media around, he has made the world a global village. With education, you can change the world, just as the quote from Nelson Mandela, one of our great leaders in Africa. Also supported by Malcolm X, education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those that prepare for it. For you to change your way, your life tomorrow, for you to change your future, you must prepare for it. And how do you do that? We, the parents, must start investing in the lives of our children.
Ew.
Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, said, and I quote, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Yes, if you invest in your children today, believe me, you will get a better things from them tomorrow. You will see a better result from them tomorrow. That is why one of the great Greek philosopher, Aristotle, said, "The root of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet." Yes, I know it is very difficult for us now as a parents to send our children to school. More now than, like as I say, you have to pay for everything now. But I tell you, when the end comes, it is you that is going to be happy for it, just as we have gathered here today to celebrate them. So that is why we must invest in the education of our children. And according to Solomon Otis, a former United States representative, said, education, which is the topic of this speech, education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students. And without education, we cannot get the teacher. So I believe this little quote from various great men have said it all, and we as a parent, it is our duty and it is the rights of our children to get educated. Once more, I feel so honored and privileged to be here and speak to my fellow parents. Thank you all once again, and thank you, management of Bila Land, for according me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.